Hi everybody, today we're looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot H-11 in Carteret Mobile Park. This is in Carteret, New Jersey in Middlesex County, and this is a land lease community. So what we're going to be looking at is the before of this house. This is now being renovated, and you're going to be seeing a lot of changes going on, and I'll be doing updated videos as we progress with the changes. One of the first things is we'll be painting the house a pretty little yellow and changing the shutters to a blue color, and we'll be fixing the ground, and that oil tank will be replaced with a propane tank. The house will be power washed. We're going to go all the way around the house. You'll see the steps there. The fiberglass steps need to be power washed, so we'll be doing that. This house has 2-car parking in the front. And when you go inside, you'll see all the different changes we're going to be doing. And again, I'll be doing new videos every week so you can see exactly what we're doing to this house. Here's the parking area. Not sure yet what we're doing with the steps. I know we're definitely going to skirt them, but it's really awesome that it's got an awning, a canopy on the top. The front storm door will be replaced. As you can see, that one's broken. Here's the guys working on the inside of the house already. We ripped up the carpeting and we'll be putting in vinyl flooring. The new appliances will be arriving. They'll be like a stainless steel color. So you'll have a new refrigerator. The cabinets are in great condition. They're solid wood oak. So there's the living room. We painted the inside of the house, so now it's bright and white. We'll have a new stove there. They're solid wood, they're adjustable, and they're in good condition. I'm not sure what they're doing with the sink. I'm sure they'll buff it up and make it shiny. Here's all the new trim work that needs to go down once they do the flooring. We'll replace the smoke detector there. You see in the corner all the laminate flooring that we're going to be putting down. Let's take a peek. It's a really pretty brown. So this wood color is going to be gorgeous inside the house. They did new subflooring there where you see the plywood. This is a front-end kitchen, which is really pretty rare, and people love that. It just makes the house really bright and shiny. This house is also going to have a new roof. The new stove in the hood, like I mentioned, the new refrigerator, the laminate flooring will be in the kitchen, the living room, and this hallway. Now, our carpet guy is already putting in the new carpeting in the bedrooms. So this is the first smaller of the 2 bedrooms. It's got a fan in it and a little closet and a little area here where you can put a bureau. Here's your closet. Here's your furnace. This will be a gas furnace, and I believe there'll be central air conditioning. Those are beautiful cabinets, don't you think? So here's the hookup for your washer and dryer. We do not supply those. Here's the back window through the door. That's really an emergency exit, but there's always steps there. So the bathroom, they'll be regrouting the tile. It's in great condition, and they'll clean all that. The countertop, got great storage there. Fix that light bulb. And the bathtub, they always buff it with car wax and make it really nice. Here's the back bedroom, and it's bigger. And as you can see, the hot water heater is in the closet. It's a lot of closet space here, and a ceiling fan, which is awesome. And again, here's the new carpeting. Here's a look inside the closet and a closer peek at the hot water heater. Plenty of room for all of your clothing. So if you're interested in this house, in order to get jump on the process, go to the website myhomeincarteret.com, fill out the pre-qualifying questions, and then I'm not sure we can give you a tour of the house while the guys are working on it, but you can always fill out the application and get ready to be the first to make a move on this particular house. We're really excited. We rarely do renovations, and this house had great bones, and we decided to spend the time and energy fixing it up and making it perfect for someone else. So now enjoy the before pictures of this house, and I will be adding after pictures as the progress continues. Thanks for stopping in. Please like and subscribe and share this video with others who might be interested in Carteret Mobile Park. This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.